Rivers State Governor Yeye Fubara don't tell the new Commissioner of Police for the state on 1 year maker to find solution to the plenty complaints of police brutality against citizens of the state. The governor took this one for one courtesy call of the CP and some senior officers to Government House for Port Harcourt. Oga Fubara talks to the protest of the people of Rivers State concerning policemen where they mistreat them, the warrior. A compromise to support the new CP to fight crime for the state.
We also require from you, not just me and my team, but the entire state, you have to be fair to everyone. We're no longer in the political season when people will accuse you that you're favoring one side or the other. This period is a period of governance. So ensure that you give ear to every complaint that will come to your table. For example, I keep getting these messages. Some policemen that operate with a Sienna, that they operate like SARS. I started wondering. I thought SARS has been disbanded. Who are these set of policemen that are terrorizing people in the states, giving the police a bad image? So I would like you, just like you just said here, that the few days that you've been here, you have neutralized some very notable criminals. Also get to the bottom of this complaint from the citizens of the state. On our own part, as a government, we are not security people. It's our duty to support the security agencies, not just the police alone, the Army, the Air Force, the Navy, even the Civil Defense. But we all know the importance of policing in every state. We know that they are the major and the most important that has to deal with when it comes to fighting crime. So on our own part, we can assure you that we'll give you all the necessary support to do your job with ease.
For in response, the Commissioner of Police Nwoye make a convow say Ingo make sure say in smoke out all criminals from where then they hide for the state.
My posting to Rivers State can be said to be a homecoming. This is my third missionary journey, or third term in Rivers State, if I may use such language. My primary ethics is to tackle crimes and criminalities, and to achieve this, all hands must be on deck. The help of the government of Rivers State and the good-spirited people of the state is needed to achieve this. Information and intelligence is key in fighting crime, and it will be deployed fully. It is going to be an intelligent-led policing, a synergy with the government and other sister agencies essential for a robust policing in Rivers State.
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.